Okay, I've been hearing that Hobby Lobby has a lot of new home decor pieces out right now. So we are going to walk all the aisles to see what is worth buying and what looks very high end and expensive for way less. You want to get a head start on all the fall decor? They have it on sale for 40% off right now. Okay, I'm not going to go too heavy on the fall decor in here right now because I want to make that a whole video on its own. But I do want to point out a couple of really good pieces that I am in love with. Okay, first of all, if you are a neutral girl, these are amazing. These are $15.99, but as you can see, they're on sale for $9.59 and they are 72 by 13 inches long. So super pretty. They also have the placemats and just about anything that would go with it. Again, another neutral piece. So this is like a little basket. It is connected in the back. It's on sale for $14.99, originally $24.99. And I think this is a great piece to kind of put out pre-fall. Just it's more neutral. It's not screaming fall, but so pretty. Okay, and these Anthropology cups are so nice and high end. So they have these cute little leaf ones. As you can see, they are originally $13.99, 40% off. So they're going to be about $8 a piece. They have this leaf one, they have this brown bow one, and then they have pumpkins. So you're going to want to grab these. These are going to go so fast. So if you guys haven't headed over to Hobby Lobby to look at their fall decor, grab these first. Number one, they're on sale. Number two, they're going to go fast. Okay, this painting is beautiful. I love that it's moody. It does have the slider frame, and I believe the original price is $36 on this, but it is going to be canvas material. It has the paint splash over, so it makes it look more realistic. But this is on sale for $22. This is a 30 by 20 inch frame, so super duper affordable for a very low cost. So I do believe that this frame is going to be more high end looking for a very affordable cost of only $22. I think that's fantastic. I had to share that all of their spring items are now 66% off, which means this cup right here is originally marked $6.99 and it is now $2.38. These are great buy ahead gifts for birthday parties or any kind of gift for Christmas. I mean, they are going to be glass with the wood top, and it does have a glass straw. That's why it's got this little cushion thing on it. But these are fantastic for only $2.38. They are monogrammed, very personalized to whoever you're buying for, and they have several different colors. So this originally, I'm going to show you, is $15.99, but if you look over here, it is now $5.44. This makes a great gift to buy ahead. If you bought like an ice cream machine, you could put this with it so that they can have like a little cute little bowl set to go with it. I'm not going to show you all these little items individually, but there are so many outdoor spring decor. So these are all going to be like great for outdoor dining. So they're plastic. I mean, you have your cups. I believe these are glass though. Nope, these are actually plastic. So perfect. Those are porcelain though, obviously. They have so many different cute ones, like these little wave bowls. These are actually, wow, these are glass. Everything is 66% off. I love it. Also, don't forget to check out clearance. They have this cute little shelf. I think this would look so good in an office, your living room, so many different places. But look, originally $159 and it is on sale for $52.79. This is a fantastic price. These chairs right here are 50% off as well. So you can see they are marked, let's see, $105. So originally $200. That is, oh my goodness, such a great price. These are going to be the twist and turn chairs. I think they're fantastic. And I'll give you a close up of what the material looks like, but this is a great deal. These planters are originally $52, but they are on sale right now, 66% off. So these are basically like buying them for $18 a piece. They are massively huge. These would look so good. Oh my goodness. Outside in like a deck area, a pool area, your backyard. These are great. Buy ahead for spring next year, or you can still have time to plant some stuff in these. But basically, all of these planters are all 66% off. Even these really cool ones. If you have a little girl, all of this is also labeled spring because it is going to be that brighter color. But hey, who switches out their children's decor or like seasonal? I would leave this up all year round. Like once I have it decorated, it's set for the year. I'll add like Christmas or fall pieces to it, but I am definitely leaving a lot of this stuff up all year round. But this is so pretty. You guys haven't heard me talk about this on my channel already. I am a follower of Jesus Christ. I believe in the Lord our Savior. And I just think that this is so beautiful to be like to have on your little girl's wall to speak into her every day. She can look at that and just know that she is chosen, holy, and dearly loved. That's beautiful. And I do love all of these really encouraging, inspirational pieces. Beautiful, brave, strong, and happy. And then this one, pretty little wildflowers. Ooh, I really think this is a nice piece too. I love how they have like this one to go with it. And then look at that butterfly right there. It's two different canvases, so you can kind of put them side by side. So nice. Okay, this is a gorgeous piece and it is under $20, you guys, on sale. So it's originally 55, but I love this beautiful, it's like more of that bronze frame. And then you're going to have more of that moody canvas look to it. But it is a really stunning piece. And then, of course, it has Proverbs 3:5, trust in the Lord with all your heart, and he will make your path straight. I love this saying, this Bible verse, but this is so gorgeous. Just look at, again at these prices, you guys. So like regular price 99, it's 34 cents. And you go down 7.99, it's 2.72. These are great prices. Also, if you have a beachy, like, I don't know, lake house or even like beachy Airbnb, there are so many great options for your wall here. Mightier than the waves of the sea is his love for you. I love that saying or that verse. And then, but look at all the different pieces here that would just go really well with the beach vacation home, especially this. I mean, this now is your time to get these massive frames and pictures for a fraction of the cost. I mean, it is, you wouldn't believe the cost of all of this stuff. Also, these beach bags are $17.49. Oh my goodness. These are great dupes. You guys, I can't even believe that price. Reduced $17.49. They do come with like a little external right here, this little sunshine state of mind bag. They each have one of those attached, but this is a fantastic deal. This looks just like a regular bog bag. And look at the cute little flowers on the handles. I mean, it's just the same. This one also is $8.99. This is going to be like a cooler bag. So you can kind of see it. It's lined. It has the zipper top. These are also great for the beach in place of a cooler because they do have these nice straps. Or you can use these for your groceries shopping at Aldi, and they're massively big. So they're going to hold a lot of groceries. Okay. And if you have any beach trips planned for the rest of summer, grab one of these. They are $4.99. This is like one of my favorite colors too, but it can hold a drink on the side. It's got two side pockets and then the massive internal pocket. But these are great for holding beach toys for the kids, snacks, towels, whatever. But they're only $4.99, as you can see right here. Okay, my daughter is actually getting really into like gymnastics and stuff. And these are originally $79.99, which makes them around $27 on sale. That is a great price. I plan on buying this and saving it for Christmas. Okay, also, if you're into cake decorating, all of their cake decorating items are 40% off. So now is the time to stock up for that as well. And there are shelves and shelves of pots that you can grab ahead of time. Like this one, for instance, is $19.99. It definitely does look like more of that clay pottery mixed with concrete. So $19.99. So this one actually would be on sale for $6.80. And then these are mini versions of what we saw earlier over in the spring potting decor. So these are originally $42.99. So they're going to be around $14 on sale. All right, these pickleball paddles are $6.99 and you're getting them on sale for $4. These are great buy ahead gifts too for Christmas. It's just such a fantastic deal. And for next summer, I mean, or even this summer, honestly, I'm planning on grabbing some of these things. But their inflatables are $2.99, so huge sale on that. All kinds of outdoor activities, a water park right here. We've got a tumbling tower block, bags game, cornhole, bowling, you name it. There's so many different options, and they're all on sale for 66% off. Also, here are some toy options that you could buy ahead for Christmas. So this one right here is an axe throwing, but safe for kids, obviously, 23.99. And then this one right here is 27.99. So you're getting 66% off of that, which is going to be a fantastic deal. Who knew that Hobby Lobby had so many great pet outfits? How cute are these? I mean, these are made for your animals, you guys. Look how adorable is that. These are $3.99 for outfits. Here's a little dress for your dog. How fun. And that is only $4.49. I mean, if you like to dress your dog up, come to Hobby Lobby because they have so many different choices. Okay, I wanted to show you a couple more furniture pieces. This is originally $219, but it is on sale for $130 or $153.99. So it's 30% off. And then there's also this really nice console right here. You see this one, I bet you, yep, on sale for $167.99. Let's see, all these drawers are operable, which is nice, but this is a gorgeous console and even a side table. They even have this piece all on sale, and it just makes a beautiful beach home. Or even if you have like a lake home, this would make great furniture pieces for that house. Okay, this stand is only $59.99 on sale, but what I envision it is being in a kitchen and you can put your fruit on it. So you could do bananas on top, apples and oranges, potatoes, like all the different veggies that you can just have out on the shelf in a corner. I'm shocked at this piece of furniture here. So the original price on this one is $399.99. It is on sale for $135, but just a look at the beauty in this. I mean, this piece is timeless. I feel like it's so gorgeous to put in like a study or even an office. Okay, teachers, now's your chance to get everything at 40% off your classroom. They have classroom decor like pillows. They have some rugs for like a reading nook. They also have, look how cute this is. No name. So if it's missing like a jacket or whatever, you can hang that there with the little clip. You can kind of see little clips attached here. But just some nice, encouraging different prints or signs for the classroom. Student of the week. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Our classroom birthdays. How cute is that? Welcome disco ball. That's fun. Oh, this classroom is better because you were in it. This makes me wish I was a teacher, honestly. This is just so fun. And then they have all of this stuff too, 40% off. So they have this cute little pencil balloon arch. This one right here, welcome back. Ooh, if you're a photographer, this might be a nice backdrop for you. I love that. They even have these like little thermoses right here. They have little calendars. So many different options, you guys. I mean, it's really endless, the amount of stuff that they have. Okay, they also have their signs 40% off as well. So this one right here is $62.99 originally. So it'd be 40% off that. I really like this one. This one's definitely more high-end looking. It's originally $22.99. So you're gonna get 40% off of that one. There are, let's see, that's super cute for like even a wedding, or if you have like even a bridal shower, that would be a nice piece to give to the couple. Okay, I think I might have found my favorite sign in Hobby Lobby. It's $13.99 originally, and it's 40% off. But I love the scalloped edge on this. It's going to be black, almost like a matte black for the background on this. But I almost want to put this in our bathroom, not our bathroom, but the kids' bathroom, because I feel like this would be a good over the towel bar picture because every time they sit on the commode, they're going to look up and see this. Literally, my husband's going to kill me because I keep finding things that I feel like need to come home with me. For instance, this 2-pack of 29 by 19 frames. I love the aesthetic of this. This really would match the green that's in our bedroom too. It's kind of dark and moody. However, it is originally $52.99. And guess what? It's 40% off. I really don't know how you don't buy this. I mean, that's 2 massive frames. I had to put them side by side because I wanted to see how massively big it would take up on the wall. And it shows you what the picture would look like. So it's actually, whoops, hopefully I can focus here. So it is one full picture. There we go. One full picture, as you can see, and together they make one, but they're really nice size. And this is just a really gorgeous print. Might have to have it. Okay, guys, I almost started crying when I saw this. For this child, we have prayed because honestly, I can't tell you how many times that we have prayed um, in the midst of our twin pregnancy because honestly, we had lost a child before them, and it was just it was it was really hard. And so I had always wanted a girl. Not that I didn't love my boys or anything. I love them to pieces. I love being a boy mom primarily. But I had always wanted to experience having a little girl because I grew up with a half sister. I only knew what it was like to have a sister. And so having a little girl was just such a special thing for me. And I had prayed that I would get that opportunity. And God really came through and fulfilled that. We ended up with boy girl twins. And I know a lot of people are like, just be grateful you have a child. I am so grateful I have a child. And honestly, if Bella would have been a boy, I would have been totally fine with that as well. But just the fact that I get the opportunity to have and raise a girl is honestly just so beautiful. And then honestly, when our next oldest son, Seth, moves out for college, we are splitting the twins up. And I am so excited to build even Royce's, he's my other son who's a twin, bedroom, and something like this inside of his room would just be so nice. I just think this is so adorable. And God is with me always. I am God's masterpiece. Oh, there's just so many good things, I feel like, for kids' rooms here. Also, if you're redoing furniture or you want to switch up your knobs, they have so many options here. And right now they are 40% off. I'm looking at some of the stuff like right here. That's really nice. I like these as well. So they're 40% off. So if you find one like this, it's $6.99. It's going to be a little more than half. Let's see. Trying to see if I can find some really good. Ooh, I love this one. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? And this one right here. I mean, these are really nice knobs. If you're looking to redo furniture and you just want something different, Hobby Lobby is definitely the place to come for that. I found these baskets. This is perfect for kids' toys for the bathroom. I've been actually looking for something to hold all the twins' toys. So it has just a small ledge. So if there's some water on the bottom, I can dump it. However, it's kind of see-through, so it's going to air out really well. And then it has this nice handle, but I just kind of wanted to hide their toys that go in the bathroom a little bit more. But this is so nice. And then they have different sizes as well. So whatever it is, like this one right here. So this one's $7.99. And makes a great tub for so many different things, but great for water, anything with water. Even like outdoor toys or gardening things for $7.99. This is a pretty good size tote. All right, guys, I am heading out of here and I tried to look and see if I could find as many things as possible for you guys. But if you can let me know in the comments below, if you could take one thing home from today's shopping trip, what would it be? Let me know. And guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe because you're not going to want to miss this next video coming up. It is really, really good. And I cannot wait to share the finds with you guys. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.